At Equipment World, we're not just fixing equipment, we're building careers. As a mechanic here, every day is an opportunity to solve problems, learn, and make a real impact for our clients.
My day kicks off with repair requests from our service coordinator. I start by diagnosing issues with top-notch tools and technology, getting to the root of the problem and figuring out exactly what needs fixing. It's like a puzzle I get to solve every day. Once I know what's wrong, I'm hands-on with the repair, whether it's adjusting systems or replacing components. I'm here to make sure every job meets the standard down to the last detail. I always double-check my work. Testing and fine-tuning is key because when the machine goes back to the client, I want it to perform like new. It's more than just fixing equipment. I closely work with customers, answering questions, giving advice, and making sure they know their gear is in the right hands. Equipment World also keeps us growing. I get to work with brands like Toyota, Bobcat, and Genie, and I'm constantly learning. Whether it's through the Toyota University or other certifications, the more I learn, the better I get. And I'm not doing it alone. I've got an incredible team behind me with support from service administration and a team that always has my back. I can focus on what I do best. It's not just about the repair either. From diagnostics to maintenance, every job matters. And whether I'm working here in the shop or on site, I know Equipment World has me set up for success. At the end of the day, I'm not just keeping machines running, I'm building a career. Equipment World is where I get to push my skills and be part of an incredible team and see the result of my hard work. And honestly, I couldn't ask for more.